Hello, I'm the Cubing Bear, and today I'm going to unbox the Dayan 2x2. Now, the first part is missing because I showed my address and name, so I had to take off that part. So, I hope you enjoy the video. Bye. Yep. Alright, and here is the Dayan 2x2. Now, this is just going to be first impressions and an unboxing. So, I believe if you go to the cubicle, you can get this around like $16 or something like that, around there. And I got this in black in the 50mm, so it is 1mm larger than the width 2. So, right there, there's nothing inside. So, let's compare these two major brand companies for at least 2x2. So, wow. Oh, let's zoom in for a second. First turns are pretty good. Like, if you hear it, it doesn't have the scratchy sound like the Wit 2. So let's do an algorithm. That's extremely fast. Maybe this is a little bit loose. So let's go, it's more than 45. Nah. 45. Maybe not. But that's without lube or anything. So, let's zoom out. Sorry. Alright, so let's do a size comparison. So you can see that this one is just a centimeter, a little bit tall, a centimeter. Now you can see the holes are a lot bigger. Now, these things, it's just like you can see the screw inside. This one, it's a little bit less noticeable. This one, you can see the screw is deep inside, so I don't know, maybe this is the tight tensions. So let's do a random scramble. So that was pretty good. I would say that.